What's up guys, we made it out here to Bonneville. This is land speed racing. We're out here, basically you can tell it's the middle of nowhere. If you guys haven't heard of it, this is a dried up salt lake out here in Utah, and the ground is really unique. It's salt, but it's all dry and compacted. And this year actually the course is really hard. Sometimes the course gets a little soft and it's hard to race, but this is where the fastest cars in the world run. So you'll see a lot of world speed records set here, and we're just here to watch some racing, have some fun, and talk to some people, show you guys some cars. You guys can see they're lined up here. That's the short course. And then we're making our way over here to the long course. We're gonna watch some of these high-speed cars run, walk you through the pits, show you some of the cool stuff that's out here. Okay, this is a pretty cool 69 Camaro getting the push started. If you guys haven't seen, some of these land speed cars have to get the push started because of the real high gearing so that they can get that top speed. It doesn't look like they're taking off too fast, but once they get going, you'll see the push car peel off and they just take off. Muscle car, and you can kind of see the push truck behind it. He's got that push thing on his bumper to get the car going up to speed out there in the salt. It's really exciting. Here's another car. You see this shape a lot. It's super aerodynamic and all kinds of different power plants. This one, I think those are snowmobile engines. Correct me if I'm wrong, but all kinds of unique stuff out here. You just see stuff you won't see anywhere else. This is so cool, guys. So this is like crossover between NASCAR and land speed racing. These cars were purpose built, this one and the other Charger you might have seen, to commemorate Donnie Allison coming out here and running similar type cars, but composite body, all NASCAR-chassis, Roush Yates engine, all modern electronics and internals. Super safe, super versatile, and super fast car. Really bitchin'. Look at this thing. This is what they call a belly tanker. These were actually the fuel tanks from large aircraft, from war surplus stuff. They're very streamlined, so guys would use them for the bodies for these cars. Engine sits behind you. Such a neat concept and ingenuity. Such a cool car. Man, I love this thing. It's so different and unique. An old Mopar wagon that's been chopped and streamlined to be a little more aerodynamic. It's like it's got a huge engine under the hood. Super unique. Definitely something you're not going to see anywhere else. Not the first car you would imagine for a land speed car, but it's really cool. Alright, this is it. Speed Demon. This car sets all the records out here. This is the first version, I believe, of the car, and it has the record of the fastest piston-driven vehicle in the entire universe. But they actually have a second version of the Speed Demon that they will be running out here, and that's probably going to set the fastest time of the meet. All right, guys, I had a great time out here at Bonneville. Hope you guys liked seeing kind of what goes on out here with land speed racing. It's a little bit unique as far as motorsports go, but it's super fun, super entertaining. If you guys ever get a chance to make it out, make sure you check it out. Thanks so much for watching, guys, and if you liked that video, make sure you hit the subscribe button so that you stay tuned for all our latest videos.